Hello, I'm going to quickly explain how to add a rubric or attach a rubric to an assignment. So if you click on Tools and Assignments, that's where I'm at right now. And then scroll down to whatever assignment we're looking at. Mine is housed under my, my final exam. And so click on Edit Assignment. And then this will allow you to scroll down again and either connect it to a rubric or add a rubric. So if you haven't created the rubric yet, click Create Rubric in New Window. It will bring up a rubric window and you have to enter all of this manually. I did also attach a Word document, so it's pretty easy to do so. To meet the 50 points, I decided what I would do is assign each level in 3-point increments and then give them 2 points for saving it correctly, last name, first initial, etc. So that's what I'm doing. However you guys want to break it up, it just works the best for me. This does save as you complete it, just like a Word, like a Google Doc. So keep that in mind. It'll tell you it's saved up here. And then once you have that rubric done, you click on Add Rubric, and it allows you to select it. Apparently, I've already created this, and then I created it again, so that's pretty neat. And then Add Selected, and you should be good to save. And then when you go to grade one of these, it should show up for you pretty easily. So I hope that helps. Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.